Okay, so this is going to be a little graphic. I've got a couple of heads here from calves I just put down about half an hour ago, and I have a skull for you to see. So here's the captive bolt gun. This is not a stun gun. This one kills, okay? I've taken the spring out so you can see how far the bolt actually fires out. Now, here's the graphic part. So here's two heads and a skull, okay? So on the skull, you can see here's the back of the bone where the eye socket is, which is here, okay? Now, on the skull, there's a ridge just here at the back. So on a calf, that ridge is up here. Okay, so you've got meat back here, and the ridge is up there. Now, looking at the skull, okay, you can see the brain cavity is kind of up above where my hand is. Okay, drops down to about there, and it's all inside that area. Okay, so the brain cavity is not up where the eyes are, so if you shoot it between the eyes, okay, around there, you hit nothing. Okay, brain cavity up in here. Okay, so ideally, where you'd want to shoot it is eye socket there, back of the eye socket, back of the ridge. Okay, so about halfway between the eye socket and the ridge, around about there. Okay, just put you around about there, and that would put it straight through into the brain. Okay, so ideally on this one, we're a little bit forwards to where was ideal. Okay, so there's the eye socket. There's the ridge. So ideally, might have been a little bit further back and go as close to the middle as you can. Okay, because you've got a weak point here. Over here is really solid. So find the weak point and Finex that's nice and thin there, nice and thin there. So easy for penetration. Okay. So I hope that helps people out. Yeah, so it would penetrate down like that. So about halfway between. Okay. And just make a real mess inside there. Walk back here. Okay, close. Straight through. Hope that helps.